Welcome back to Car Magica, where we bring you the latest camper reviews, features, and expert insights. Today, we're diving into the world of smart design and everyday adventure with the Knaus Tourer CUV 500 MQ Campervan. Compact, versatile, and intelligently engineered, this campervan redefines freedom on the road while maintaining comfort and practicality. As you step inside, you're welcomed by a bright and well-organized living space that blends minimalist design with everyday functionality. High-quality upholstery, durable surfaces, and refined finishes create a comfortable atmosphere throughout. The lounge area features a flexible seating arrangement with a swiveling cab seat setup, a compact dining table, and large windows that bring in plenty of natural light. The kitchenette is thoughtfully equipped with a gas stove, sink, compressor refrigerator, and smart storage solutions for daily essentials. The rear sleeping area converts into a generous double bed, while the compact wet bathroom includes a shower, toilet, and modern fixtures, ensuring you have everything you need for life on the road. Now, moving to the exterior, the Knaus Tourer CUV 500 MQ Campervan delivers a clean, modern, and functional appearance. Built on a compact van platform, it offers excellent maneuverability for city driving and narrow roads. The exterior design focuses on practicality, featuring durable body panels, integrated roof rails, and subtle Knaus branding that adds a premium touch without being overstated. A pop-up roof expands sleeping capacity and enhances ventilation, making it ideal for longer trips. The campervan's compact dimensions make parking effortless, while the solid build quality ensures durability and confidence wherever your journey takes you. When it comes to performance, the Knaus Tourer CUV 500 MQ Campervan is powered by a reliable and efficient turbocharged diesel engine designed for smooth and economical travel. Whether you're cruising on highways or navigating winding countryside roads, the campervan delivers a comfortable and stable driving experience. The refined suspension system absorbs road imperfections with ease, while responsive steering makes long drives less tiring. Paired with a smooth shifting transmission, this campervan offers a perfect balance between performance and fuel efficiency. Advanced safety and driver assistance features, including lane assist, parking sensors, and cruise control, further enhance confidence behind the wheel. Finally, let's discuss the price. The Knaus Tourer CUV 500 MQ Campervan is positioned as an accessible yet premium option in the campervan market, with a starting price of around $45,000 to $50,000 depending on configuration and market. It offers excellent value for those seeking flexibility, quality, and smart design without stepping into luxury motorhome pricing. The cost reflects Knaus's attention to detail, durable construction, and well-thought-out features that cater perfectly to couples and small families. To sum up, the Knaus Tourer CUV 500 MQ Campervan is a brilliant combination of compact size, intelligent layout, and dependable performance. It's designed for travelers who want freedom, comfort, and versatility without the bulk of a full-size motorhome. Whether you're planning weekend escapes or extended road trips, this campervan delivers a practical and enjoyable experience on every journey. Stay tuned for more reviews, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Car Magica for all the latest in camper and automotive excellence.